So in the previous section we have to discuss about the B-tree deletion in the leaf node. I am already telling in the B-tree deletion in the leaf node also two type. In the case one, what happen? If the leaf node contains more than minimum number of key value, then simply delete it. And the case two, what happen? If the leaf node contain minimum number of key, okay, so after deletion you have to check if it borrow from the immediate left node or immediate sibling, then borrow it. If left node contain minimum number of nodes, then what happen? We have to borrow from immediate right node or right sibling. If both left and right also minimum number of nodes, then what happen? You have to merge both and left right node with its parent node. So this is the case 1 and case 2 with 3 subcases already discussed. Then we have to go if the deletion performed in the internal node. So deletion of the internal node also 3 subcases. Okay, so the 3 subcases are replace with in-order predecessor, then replace with in-order successor, or merging of left and right sibling. Suppose this is a tree, I am drawing this is the root node, this is the left subtree and this is the right subtree. So in this tree, suppose I am deleting 70. Okay, so first we sort the 70. Here is the root node, 70 is the less than, so we go to the left subtree. So in this tree you have to find this is your 70. Then check if it is a leaf node. No, if it is a leaf node, then we have to go our previous cases. Okay, but it is not a leaf node, it is your internal node. Then for internal node, what are the conditions are there? These are some different cases. We have to choose any one this. Okay, first to check replace with in-order predecessor. We have to already know in the binary source tree deletion, we have already know how to calculate the in-order predecessor or in-order successor. If you perform in-order traversal, okay, in-order traversal give what? Sorted order. So in-order predecessor is the previous node, okay, the previous node, and in-order successor is the next node. But in the tree, if you calculate the in-order predecessor or in-order successor, in general for this tree, what are the in-order predecessor is that the maximum element from its left subtree. Okay, here this is the left subtree or the left node. So in-order predecessor is your 68 from this node. And what is that is the previous node also, 68 then 70. Then what is the in-order successor? In-order successor is the minimum node or minimum element from its right subtree. This is your right subtree, minimum is this. That means the next node. This is your in-order successor. The in-order predecessor is the previous node 78. So 70 it is 68 and in-order successor is 73, the next node. Okay, the maximum element from its left subtree is your in-order predecessor, and the minimum element from its right subtree or right node is your in-order successor. Then we check which element is replaced with this 70. But you have to remember this is a order 5. I am already telling in the previous example that I am taking a order 5. Order 5, what is the minimum number of node is possible? Minimum number of node is 2. Okay, if the node contain 2, then it is follow the B-tree property. If less than 2, then it violated the rule. So if you replace this with the in-order successor, then what happen? The node contain one number of node, that means it violated the rule. So we check. But this node is sufficient amount of node, this contain maximum number of node 4. If you replace this node, then what happen? It also contain minimum number of nodes, minimum number of is 2, but it contain more than minimum number of nodes. So that we have to replace with what? In-order predecessor. What is the in-order predecessor of the 70? Is 68. So I am replacing this with this node 68, and 70 is deleted. Here also you have to delete it because here replace it here. Then after that, what is the tree? Okay, so after replacing this, we have to find 68. Here 68 and 77, and this node 68 is replaces in the parent and 70 is deleted. Okay, so this is the node after deleting 70. Okay, then next see. Okay, next suppose I am deleting what? 95 from in this tree. So where is 95? We have to source 95 is greater than this, then we have to go. Here also we have to find 95. Here we find the 95, and 95 is not a leaf node, it is a internal node. So internal node, what happen? We have to check replace with the in-order predecessor, in-order successor, then merging. So here see How to calculate the in order predecessor? In order predecessor is the previous node and the in order successor is the next node. Or we have to also call the maximum element from its left subtree. Okay, what is the this is the left subtree or left node. The maximum element is your 93. Okay, this is your in order predecessor. And what is your in order successor? This is the minimum element from the right node or the right subtree. Okay, so from the right node, what is the minimum element from this node? 100. So this is your in order successor. Then which will be replaced? First is check, can you replace with the in order predecessor or this 93 with 95? No, because if you replace this, then this node contain only one node, which is violated the rule of the B tree, because B tree contain the order 5, it is order 5, so that the B tree contain minimum 2 node. Okay, so that it violated the rule, so we cannot replace with the in order predecessor. Then we have to check, can we replace with in order successor? This node contain more than one minimum number of nodes, because minimum number is 2, it contain 3, that means we replace with the in order successor. Here we have to 95 is deleted, then this will be replaced here, then here we have to delete it. Okay, then after performing the operation, what is the tree? Okay, after deleting this, I am drawing only the right part, left part is as it is. So the right part, see, this is the same. After deleting the 95, replace with the in order successor 100. Okay, then 92, 93 is as it is. Then here it is replaced with, so that other nodes are contained 110 and 111. So this is also satisfy what? The B tree property, because each node contain minimum 2 nodes, no violating the B tree property. Okay, so these two cases are sub case are covered, replace with the in order predecessor or replace with the in order successor. Then next check, suppose in this tree, suppose you perform a delete operation in 77. Okay, suppose you perform the delete operation in 77. So how to sort 77? Here 77 is less than, so in this node we have to find the 77. This is not a leaf node, that means we have to check either the sub cases replace with the in order predecessor or in order successor, or merging of either left or right sibling. See, so for 77, what is the in order predecessor? In order predecessor is 75. Okay, in order predecessor is the 75. So in order predecessor is the maximum element from the left subtree for this node. Maximum element from the left subtree is 75. Okay, then what is the in order successor? The minimum element for the right subtree or the next node is 78. Okay, so can you borrow the in order predecessor? No. Why? Because this contain minimum number of node. Because the order is 5, the minimum number is 2. For order 5, again remember the order is important. I am taking order 5 and then doing this. So please check what is the order of the tree. Okay, for in this tree, in the question it given order 5. Okay, so next see, in the in order successor is also 2 number of nodes, so we cannot replace with this. We cannot replace with in order predecessor, and also we cannot replace with in order successor, because each node contain only minimum number of node, that is 2. So what happened? So in this cases what happened? The third case is what? We have to merging of left and right sibling. Okay, from sorry, left and right node of this, not sibling, left and right node of this key value. Okay, so after deleting that, okay, that then we have to merging this 75, 78 and 79. Then what happened? After merging, then we have to connect with the right side of the 68 directly. Clear? After deleting this 77, the left subtree of 77 and the right subtree of the 77 merge in one node and connected with the 68, and see all the node are greater than 68 or not, and it satisfy the B tree property or not. It contain how many maximum number of node? Maximum number of node from order equal to 5. 5 children are there, and maximum number of key value is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. It also contain 4 number of nodes. Okay, so this is a B tree after deleting the 77. Okay, so after deleting this 68 connected to this merging node. Suppose in this node, okay sir, in this tree, suppose I am deleting 80. See 80 is here, 80 is a root node. If you deleting 8, so root node is also an internal node, okay or not? Then what happen? If you delete 80 means internal node, again you have to check the subcases. What are the subcases are there for internal node? Replace with the in-order predecessor, replace with the in-order successor, or if in-order predecessor or successor node is not contain minimum number of nodes, we have to merging with the left and right node of this key. Okay. So check it for 80. What are the in-order predecessor? In-order predecessor is the maximum node from its left subtree. This is the left subtree which is the maximum node. Here 79. See, from this subtree maximum value is 79. So this is your in-order predecessor, or simply the previous node. After 79, 80 is there. Next, what is the in-order successor? After 80, 81 is there. So this is your in-order successor, or the minimum number of node in the right subtree. So 81 is the right subtree and minimum number of node. Okay, so you have to check, can you replace with this in-order successor? No. Why? Because here the minimum number of node is possible 2. If you replace it, then this node is go to the underflow condition. Then can you replace with the in-order predecessor? Yes. If we replace this, then it contain 3 number of nodes. Okay, so that no underflow condition is there. That means we have to replace here 79 with this root node. Okay, and 80 is deleted. 80 is deleted and 79 is good here. Then after that, what is the tree? Okay, after deleting 8, 79, the in-order predecessor go to the root 79. Then see the left subtree as it is here, here, and this 79 which already deleted because it's replaced with this. So here the node is right side and this is right subtree as it is. So there is 3 cases in the internal subtree. So these for the internal node, so there is a 3 subcases are there. Also for the leaf node, there is 3 subcases are there. Then again there are other some complex cases are also there, but these things are sufficient from yours.